Tapo P100 versus Tapo P110. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content and watch the video till the end.
Here you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about design. P100 provided compact and minimalistic design, and 110 provided compact with similar design. So both are equal. Now let's look at the power monitoring. No, this feature is not available on P100. And yes, this feature is available on 110. So 110 is better. Now let's look at the maximum load capacity. In P100, 10 82300W is the maximum load capacity, and in P110, 16A 3680W is the maximum load capacity. So 110 is better. Now let's look at the app control. Tapo app is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the voice control. Alexa Google Assistant is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the scheduling and timer. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the energy efficiency. Basic operation is available on P100, and in P110 energy monitoring for optimization is available. So P110 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of P100 is more affordable and the price of P110 is slightly more expensive. So P100 is better. Now let's look at the compatibility. iOS and Android is available on all two devices, so both are equal. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.